Malco's Accelerate All-in-One Polish and Protection is a one-step polishing compound designed to remove light to medium paint defects while leaving behind a slick, waxed surface with lasting protection for up to 90 days. This all-in-one polish will quickly and easily remove swirls, imperfections, and light scratches while leaving a deep glossy finish. Accelerate offers a long working window and a dust-free application for easy use and cleanup. For best results, it should be applied indoors or in the shade. However, it can still be used in direct sunlight if necessary. This product can be used with an orbital, rotary, or by hand with a variety of foam pads or microfiber applicators. It can be applied to the pad or sprayed directly on the panel. Always shake the bottle well before using. When applying with a rotary or orbital, apply 4 medium-sized drops of product to a polishing pad. Start spreading the product at your tool's lowest speed setting before ramping up to the highest on an orbital, or 12 to 1400 RPM on a rotary tool. Work the product in a 2x2 section using a crosshatch pattern. If applying by hand, use a soft, clean applicator for the best results. Similar to machine application, work in a 2x2 area. Work the product until the polish turns from opaque to clear. Once applied, allow the product to dry to a haze on the surface before removing for maximum protection. Accelerate features an easy removal, allowing for a full vehicle application before wiping off. Malco's Accelerate is designed to provide users with a quick, one-step solution to remove light marks and leave a slick, glossy layer of protection. This easy-to-use product gives everyone from professionals to enthusiasts a simple way to improve their vehicle's finish. To learn more about Accelerate All-in-One Polish and Protection, contact your Malco distributor or visit malcoautomotive.com.